Hi, to change notification sound for different apps on your Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open Settings. From here, choose Notifications, and then pick App Notifications. So from this list, I probably can change sound only for Gmail and Messages. So let's try this out. For example, let's pick Gmail first. And now we need to tap Configure in Gmail. Here, choose your account, and then go in Notification Sound, tap it again, tap once more, and simply choose any option from the list. Also, you can remove some of the options and just find something and also adjust its volume just by dragging the slider. And now let's tap Done here and simply go back. And we can do the same for Samsung Messages, which will look like that. Tap it as well, tap Configure in Messages, tap on Sound, and choose any option from the list. And simply use this back arrow to save changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.